Welcome to this video. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and privacy-respecting browser, LibreWolf is a great choice. In this guide, I'll show you how to install LibreWolf directly from the Microsoft Store step by step. Whether you're new to LibreWolf or just prefer an easy install method, you're in the right place. First, open the Start menu, the Windows. Type Microsoft Store and click to open it. Next, once you're in the Microsoft Store, go to the top search bar and type LibreWolf. Press Enter and wait for the results. Then, find the official LibreWolf app in the search results and click on it to open the app page. After that, click the Get button. Get the Microsoft Store will begin downloading and installing the application automatically. Once installed, you can launch LibreWolf either directly from the store. Finally, open the browser and you're ready to explore the web with enhanced privacy and security features. That's how simple it is to install LibreWolf using the Microsoft Store. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.